Welcome, Namaskar, to this channel of astrology, to the point astrology. Why this channel has been started? One thing I want to make it clear to all of you that whenever we go to astrologers, not only sometimes, often it occurs that they say you are running under the period of Sadesati, Saturn Sadesati. That's why public is terrorized. Actually, this channel has been started to deploy the knowledge. You have not to worry about that. Saturn, always they are terrorizing you. What does it mean? Saturn is the owner planet of justice. Whatsoever have did in your past, that will be justified during the period of Sadesati. Let us suppose the native is born in Sagittarius. Sadesati will be started when Saturn will enter in the earlier Rashi, that is Scorpio. 2.5 years Saturn will be situated in Scorpio. Thereafter in your Sagittarius Rashi, 2.5 years. Thereafter in Capricorn for 2.5 years. Total 7.5 years. That is called Sadesati. When Saturn will leave Capricorn, then you will be free from Sadesati period. It can be treated as Saturn is coming, either you will be punished or you will be awarded according to your age. Every 30 years it comes to a specialized Rashi. Just suppose if you are running at the birth time, Sadesati period, the same will occur after 30 years. In this way, we can say that total maximum period of 3 Sadesati after 30 years. The myth of this Sadesati should be removed. Just suppose you are less than 30 years and at present you are running in the period of Sadesati. What will happen? Neither you have did any wrong thing, neither you have cheated anyone in this life, because you are just like a student. Then how you can suppose that you will be punished? And actually it happened with me. One client came to me 5 years ago. Some astrologer had prescribed in writing that you are running in the period of Sadesati, you will not get the job. He was very good scholar. He was PhD and is struggling for the job. I challenged him that you will get the job during this period. Not only job, but you will get married during this period. And all the establishment will be done. Accordingly, that has been acquired by him. At present he is lecturer in degree college. There are only 9 planets, and each and every planet is karka for your different aspects of your life. Just suppose either you are doing job or you are doing business. whatsoever you are doing, the karka for that business or profession is Saturn. There is not need of any special reading for the horoscope or specialization in any particular chart. Whenever you are coming, you are suffering from the problem of your profession, then I will analyze only Saturn. Not only in your horoscope, but also at present where the Saturn is transiting. What is the aspect of Saturn? Accordingly, you will get the effect. Just suppose, whatsoever I have seen in my past life, that first Sadesati will provide you establishment. And during the period of second tenure of Sadesati, naturally comes hindrance in your profession. The persons who are in government job, at random they got suspended. One remedy I am providing you. Just go to temple of Bhairav Maharaj and worship there. Whatsoever is prescribed by Maharaj. Yes, you have to do it on Saturday evening. Continuously, if you will perform this duty, you will get it done. The hindrance in your job, your profession will be okay. There are 9 planets, and according to planet, you can analyze the concerning aspect of your life. Just I have told you about the Saturn. Similarly, Venus is Karka for married life. If you are suffering any type of problem in your married life, then we have to analyze only Venus. The position of Venus in your natal chart and in transit. And after doing remedy for Venus, you will get exalted condition. Nothing is required more than this. That's why this channel has been prepared. Now I have started this channel and I shall try best of myself to continue it with special topics. Thank you very much. If you like this channel, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Namaskar.